Types of neurons. Neurons can be classified into different types based on their function, structure, or the direction of the signal they carry. Here's an outline of the types of neurons. 1. Functional classification of neurons. These neurons are categorized based on their roles in the nervous system. A. Sensory neurons, afferent neurons. Sensory neurons, also known as afferent neurons, detect stimuli from the environment, such as light, sound, touch, or temperature, and transmit this information to the central nervous system. They help us perceive the world around us. B. Motor neurons, efferent neurons. Motor neurons, or efferent neurons, carry instructions from the brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands, controlling voluntary and involuntary movements, such as walking or heartbeats. C. Interneurons, relay neurons. Interneurons act as connectors, linking sensory and motor neurons. They are found in the brain and spinal cord and are crucial for reflexes and the integration of information, allowing for decision-making and response. 2. Structural classification of neurons. This classification is based on the number of extensions, dendrites, and axons from the neuron cell body. Structural classification of neurons. This classification is based on the number of extensions, dendrites, and axons from the neuron cell body. A. Unipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons have only one extension that splits into two branches, one leading to the central nervous system and the other to peripheral tissues. They are mainly found in sensory neurons of the peripheral nervous system. B. Bipolar neurons. Bipolar neurons have two extensions, one acting as a dendrite and the other as an axon. These neurons are rare and are primarily found in sensory systems, like the retina of the eye and the olfactory system. C. Multipolar neurons. Multipolar neurons are the most common type of neuron. They have multiple dendrites and one axon, making them ideal for processing and transmitting information. These are the neurons that make up most of the brain and spinal cord,